let's create this soft glam eyeshadow look by starting off with the eyes, and I'll be using my Urban Decay primer potion all over my lid. Then I'll take Morocco from my Nubian to Juvia's Place palette, patting and swiping that color into my crease to get it a little more pigmented. Then I'll be taking henna from my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. Then I'll place that color right under the crease color that I just packed on. Kenya from my Nubian 2 palette is next, and then I'll be packing that all over my lid space. I just started using this e.l.f. concealer to cut my crease, and it still amazes me how bomb all my cut creases turn out since I started using this concealer. I have it in the shade medium. It's the waste of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. So I'll be taking Kenya again, and I'll be patting that color, that dark brown color, on the outer corners of my eyes, just to bring out that smoky effect. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. I'm taking Sandalwood next from my Huda Beauty palette, and then I'm going to pat. Please remember to pat and not swipe the eyeshadow when you get to this portion. If your concealer is still wet, it enables the pigment to stick on much easier. I never set my concealer. I tried to use it still wet. I'll be creating the thinnest wing liner in the world. This is just to hide my lash band. I really didn't want to create a bold eyeliner look, using my NYX matte liquid liner. Then I'm going to coat those lashes with some Maybelline Push Up Angel mascara. Yes, I remember the name. So with the eyes out of the way, let's just get into this face beat. Before I forget, please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please stop, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and by now you can either like, share, let me know what else you like to see on my channel. And yeah, so for my foundation, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade 450, and I'll be applying that using my Evita Joseph X Annette collaboration brush. Hey guys, I have a discount code for you in case you want to purchase this brush and you want to get some money off. It will be in the description box down below. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. For concealer, I'll be using the Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Deep Sand, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my chinny chin chin. I'm not giving more of my life. I used Kenya again to contour my nose. To contour my nose, my cheekbones, and my jawline, using my Evita Joseph contour brush.
I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life.
I used my Real Techniques sponge to blend out my concealer. Oh guys, my nephew was sitting right by me all through this makeup look. He was picking up products and passing them to me, and he didn't make a mess. He was the cutest. I just had to put that in. That's why I'm talking in the video. I was talking to him all through the video. He kept me company, and it was the sweetest thing ever.
I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure.
I haven't used any other setting powder since I discovered this Black Radiance setting powder, and I'll probably use it until it runs out before I try anything else because I'm so in love with it. I've already started recommending it to people. It's awesome. It's very much comparable to the Airspun powder. I mean, the quality and the price range, yes.
Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa.
For my lips, I used just a regular dark brown lip liner, and then I used my e.l.f. Bare It All lipstick, and I went over top with my Revlon lip gloss.
I wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, hey, yeah. Love me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life.
I almost forgot to line my bottom lash line with, so I'm doing that using my Kenya. To finish everything off, I used some of the e.l.f. concealer in the inner corners of my eyes, and then I used Zuri from my Nubian 2 palette.
Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it
No makeup look is complete without hair, right? So I'm going to flat iron my closure wig with my flat iron to get that bone straight look. That was what I was going for.
Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah,
And voila, we're done. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to join the family.
Movies make it look so easy.
So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because your feedback means the world to me. Also, if you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that bell so you get notified anytime I post another fun, informative, creative video just like this one. Also, don't forget to keep up with me on social media. It's terry.berry on Instagram and terryberry on Twitter. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.